Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Tech Academy. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete items from your eBay watch list. To delete an item from your eBay watch list, first of all, open up the eBay application on your mobile device and log in. From the home page, tap on the My eBay button at the bottom. Inside My eBay, you will see a watch list button. Simply tap on that. Everything that you've added to the watch list will be listed on the page. To delete items from your watch list, simply tap on the pencil icon and select your item from the list and then click on Remove at the top left. You can delete all the watch list at once or select a specific watch list, tap the three dots right next to it and click on Delete from Watch List as well. And that's how you can easily remove items from your watch list on eBay. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.